Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I am part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see how to enable DEBUG SSL mode in Spark driver for troubleshooting CDI Advanced Mapping issue. As a part of today's presentation, we'll be covering on these agenda overview, steps on enabling SSL debug mode for Spark driver, followed by the demo. Now let's see on overview how to enable SSL debug mode on Spark driver for troubleshooting SSL and certificate related issue. The key step here is setting the flag -d java x net debug equal to SSL handshake flag under the Spark driver extra java option property in the mapping task advanced session properties. Once enabling this property, this will allow the Spark driver to capture detailed logging during the SSL handshake process, which is critical for identifying the problem like invalid certificate or protocol mismatch. For more comprehensive debugging, you can add :verbose option to this flag, which provide even deeper insight into the SSL communication. This is especially useful when diagnosing complex issue in secure communication between the Spark driver and the external services. Now let's see on steps on enabling SSL debug mode for troubleshooting CDI Advanced Mapping issue. So first step, you need to create a new mapping task from the problematic mapping, and in the mapping task you will see the runtime option, and in runtime option you will see advanced runtime properties, where you need to add a new property and search for the existing property with the name spark.driver.extra java option, and in the value of this property you need to update this flag, that is -d java x.net.debug equal to SSL handshake. So if you need more detailed logging in the SSL handshake, then just add :verbose in this flag. So this is my problematic mapping, and in this mapping only I will be enabling the SSL debug mode. So as a first step, you need to create a mapping task. Click on three dot, new mapping task. Give the mapping task name. Assign the runtime environment. Click on next. So in this runtime option, you will see advanced session properties. Expand this advanced session properties and click on this plus icon. So once you click, it will add a new session property, and in this session property click this drop down menu and search for the property spark.driver.extra java option, and you need to update the flag in this value, so that is -d java x.net.debug equal to SSL handshake. If you need more detailed logging, then just add :verbose. So in this video I am just enabling this SSL debug without verbose. So once you update this property, click on next and save this mapping task. Mapping task is saved successfully. Now you need to run this mapping. Now once the mapping task is started, it will start executing the advanced mapping, spawning the Spark driver and executor. So in the Spark driver, it will start capturing the SSL debug related messages. I have already created one simple mapping task and updated the name, assigned the runtime environment, and here I have updated this property. And also I have already ran this mapping, which was successful. Even the mapping is successful or failed, the SSL related debug messages will be printed in the driver log. So to check the driver log, download the session log and open this session execution log. And in this session execution log, you can search with the keyword driver log, and here you will find the driver log location. So this driver log location may differ in your environment if you have configured S3 or ADLS Gen 2 or the local system. So for me it is a local system. Copy the driver log location path from here and open this driver log. This is my secure agent machine, and I'll be opening the driver log from here. Paste the path from the log. So this is the driver log. If you scroll down, here you will see the SSL debug messages, which has it printed in the Spark driver, and you can see the certificate which it had consumed at the time of SSL authentication. So in this way you will be able to enable the SSL debug mode for Spark driver for troubleshooting CDI Advanced Mapping issue. If you have enabled the SSL debug mode for the Spark driver and collected this driver log, you can share this driver log and the session log to the engineer if you have the GCS ticket open for troubleshooting the SSL issue. We'd love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@infomedica.com or tweet us at twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.